you're going to circle the unknown, the number. If you remember, there are things that we know. Bing, we know them. And then some things are unknown. We don't know them. Just like in a story, we infer, and our inner voice tells us what we know and what we don't know. The unknown. It's the same thing with math stories. So, let's look at number 3. I'm going to read it. There are 9 dogs at the park. 5 dogs play with balls. The rest are eating bones. How many dogs are eating bones? I now am going to read and make some notes. Let's see, what's important? There are 9. 9 what? 9 dogs. Okay, that doesn't look like a dog. That looks like some sort of weird bear thing. I don't like that very much. Let's just do this. There, that's much better. Sorry. Some of your children do a much better job than Miss Red, I can assure you. We'll pretend that's a dog. Where are they? They're at the park. Those dogs are at the park. Let's see. Yes, I do have a picture of a park. Isn't that cool? There's 9 of them at the park. 5 dogs play with balls. 5 of them play with balls. The rest, now wait a minute. The rest are eating bones. So 5 with balls, the rest with bones. The rest. That kind of makes me think of an unknown number. Well, what do I know? There are 9 dogs at the park. 9 dogs are at the park. 5 play with balls. You know, a ball. It's round, it bounces. The rest are eating bones. But we don't know what the rest is. We don't go 1, 2, 3, 4, the rest, 6, 7, 8. We don't say 1, 2, the rest, 4, 5, 6. So I think that's our unknown. So we're going to draw a picture number bond, and we're going to label just like we do in writing. Okay. I have my whole, and that's all of the dogs. How many? 9. D-O-G-S. Oh, Miss Domain. Those dogs look pitiful. That's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh boy. Oh, 9. There we go. Not too pretty. There are 9 at the park. At the park. They're all there, maybe with their owners. 5 play with balls. Okay, that should be a little easier because I'm just going to draw the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. play with balls. Okay. Now here is where it gets tricky. The rest are eating bones. But, I don't know that. 9 is my whole. Part. I know that 5 play with balls. How do I find out the rest? The rest. I can use the strategy of count on, count on, count on. Sure can. I'm going to go from 5 to 9. I can do that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5. So I'm going to count on from 5. 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That was count on. I'm going to do that again. 9 is our whole, the total. We know 5. How do we find out the rest? The strategy of count on. We know that this is 5, right? 5. So I'll touch this one right here and say 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. How many dots did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4. My missing number is 4. This is a number sentence. It is an addition number sentence. Part plus part equals whole. Part plus part equals whole. 5 plus 4 more gives me a total of 9. This was my unknown number. This was my unknown number. But now we know it. So, plus, put together. Put together. And I like how that t looks like the plus. 5 plus 4 equals, which means same, 9. This is another number sentence. It is a subtraction number sentence. Subtract means to break apart. Break apart. Remember? Part. Part. You take the whole and you break it apart. Part. Part. Whole. Okay. Oops. Miss Domingue made a mistake. Oh no. I wasn't paying attention to the signs, the symbols. Oh my gracious, look at that. Compare means alike. Contrast means different. They are not the same. I've got to put my whole number here. My whole can be broken apart. We can break apart the big number. Whole. 9. I'm so glad you helped me with that. Break apart. What did they tell us? That 5 for playing with balls equals, well, it's not 9 because this is an addition sentence. This is a subtraction sentence. Got our 9? Yep. Got our 5? Yep. 4. 4 was the rest. So that, we took what we know to find what we did not know. Last part. This is a sentence. Sentences make sense. These are sentences too. They're just number sentences. This needs to be equal to these number sentences. Dogs are doing what? Eating bones. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. Yeah, that's an E. So it says E. Eat, and that one, that A isn't saying anything. Eating bones. Dogs are eating bones. Okay, there were 9 dogs at the park. 5 were playing with balls. The rest were eating bones. That was our missing. It was 4. So, well, these are all words. So I know it's 4. I'm going to write the number word. But you can write the numeral too, the number symbol. This is the other one that you can do. There are 10 students. I'm not going to work this one. In Jim's class. 7 bought lunch at school. So they went through the cafeteria. The rest, brought lunch from home. How many brought lunch from home?